Hey, hi everyone. I'm Ronak Doshi, and I am with Mehul, who has been discussing and giving us some kind of amazing insights on the cyber insurance market. This is like a 20% growth market, about to reach $15 billion by 2023, right? So it's a hot and exciting market that we are tracking. But I think what we've also spoken about in our previous two videos has been the challenges that insurers face in this market, right? Which is around data, around technology, around operations, around talent, and also the compliance, mandate around this. And as we unpack this, we do believe that, insurers would need a good ecosystem of partners to support on this journey. And I thought, Mehul, that's where we start our discussion today is could you talk
Absolutely.
about what are the vendors doing? Give us some examples and how are they kind of helping clients?
Absolutely, Ronak. Ronak, what you have to understand is that in today's market, insurers cannot cater to clients' needs on their own. They need support. They need a proper ecosystem around them to help boost their offering that they're providing to their clients. Now, that is being done by partnerships with different IT service providers as well as cyber technology data vendors and cybersecurity companies. What we have observed lately is that these cybersecurity companies, they're partnering with insurance companies and providing a holistic solution to their clients. So let's say today I want to purchase a cyber insurance company for my organization. So the insurance company is also providing me some cybersecurity technologies included within that particular offering. Let's say they might provide me endpoint encryption or IAM solutions and so on and so forth. One such example that I would call out over here is Zurich Insurance partnering with Sai, which is an Israeli cybersecurity firm, where Zurich is providing a holistic solution to its customers. Similarly, to cater to the challenge of a lack of historical data, insurance companies are partnering with these cyber security data vendors, such as risk-based security, RiskSense, CyberRight, BitSight, and so on and so forth. Now, this ecosystem would not be complete without a proper cyber analytic platform capabilities that insurers need right now. And that is where IT service providers are playing a crucial role. Now, what we observed is that some of the service providers, they have launched platforms that can help insurance companies to much more accurately price cyber risk and provide a and assume a much more better risk on their portfolio. So we've seen a lot of work from Wipro, TCS, and other such service providers who are actively pushing in this particular area.
And that's exciting. And again, as the technology ecosystem also evolves, what my thought process is cyber insurance as a market will also further evolve. And again, this heady dynamics of how the client demands, the need for data, the need for technology, and bringing all of this together is going to be something which is going to drive this future. So, what's your views on the future of cyber insurance and how is this market going to shape up?
Absolutely, Ronak. And I think we'll all see this market unfold over the next 2, 3 years. Now, right now, I talked about partnerships between insurers and data vendors and insurers and IT service providers. But going forward, I believe that enterprises will be at the center of the ecosystem and all these players, be it a cyber risk database vendor, be it an insurer, be it a cyber risk analytic firm, IT service providers, all of these will be working in tandem in helping to ensure that these enterprises are have a proper cyber security framework in place. Insurers would be helping with standardized cyber insurance offerings. IT service providers would be working with enterprises in providing managed security services, as well as with insurers in helping them with the cyber analytics platforms. So what we are expected to see is a much more cohesive environment going forward, where all these players working together under the supervision of a regulatory authority. And I believe that the regulatory authorities in each of the regions globally would play a crucial role in helping devise cybersecurity frameworks and proper compliance standards that would help ensure that the risk can be contained and there are not much economic losses to the organizations.
And yeah, I think the role of cyber I think, from an insurance perspective, right, is also to kind of curate and coordinate with this ecosystem. So I think that's going to be a key
Oh,
theme that we're
absolutely.
also going to see. So again,
Absolutely.
Mehul,
And
yeah, sorry, go ahead.
yeah, so I was just saying that what you just mentioned is something that we have already started observing. So the partnership between Allianz, Munich Re, and Google Cloud is one such instance of of this partnership. So you're absolutely bang on in mentioning that insurance companies are going to play a crucial role in this ecosystem.
Perfect. Awesome. So thanks, Mehul, for your time today and this insights. Lovely talking to you. And, I
Likewise.
hope everybody enjoys the video. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you so much, Ronak. Thank you.
Bye.